DJM TV.
Founder of Zuga coin don reply central bank on top of the ban wey dey place on cryptocurrency dealings with banks. My correct sabi person there, I welcome you to yet another edition of DJM TV Daily News Update. That your channel wey dey give you better news as e dey drop. The matter wey we carry come so e concern Archbishop Dr Sam Zuga wey be the founder of Zuga coin. He don reply central bank on top of the ban wey central bank place on cryptocurrency and banks. We go remember say never too tey when Central Bank of Nigeria talk say make a bank stop to dey deal with cryptocurrency. That's to say they don place ban on cryptocurrency for banks. No more accounts for all these Bitcoin, Doga coins, Zuga coin and the other crypto traders dem. CBN don talk say the name and nature of cryptocurrency sef dey suggest say the patrons and the user dey like to hide their face and wonder why an entity go dey hide the face if the kind business wey e dey do e dey legal. Central Bank of Nigeria don also talk say other countries like China, Canada, Taiwan, Indonesia, Algeria, Egypt, Morocco, Bolivia, Saudi Arabia, Jordan, Iraq, Bangladesh, Cambodia, Nepal, Bolivia dem and some other countries dem don ban cryptocurrency trade sake of say dem dey feel that they finance terrorists to thief money for country and they do some kind bad things dem wey be like say government no go fit regulate. Dem talk say no be 2021 be the first time wey they talk about this banning of accounts for cryptocurrency o. Say they don talk the thing since 2017. Say but e be like say the banks dem dey lis ten, so they don decide to carry out action. Now on top this one, Archbishop Sam Zuga, wey be the founder of Zuga coin, don write give Central Bank of Nigeria Governor say this their ban on cryptocurrency e no just make sense at all. Zuga coin, wey be the first indigenous African cryptocurrency, dey founded by Archbishop Dr Sam Zuga, wey be global peace ambassador and African's entrepreneur and great humanitarian personality, wey dey say he wan make relentless effort to aim at rebuilding African dying economy through this Zuga coin. This Zuga coin say don even break the world record for cryptocurrency by becoming the most valuable and most expensive cryptocurrency, and e don overtake other cryptocurrencies dem. Zuga coin, wey be the fastest growing cryptocurrency for the world, e don increase the value up to 18% for the first 3 days wey dem take start, and for the day one Zuga coin dey worth $42,000, but by the day 3 e don dey worth $49,000. Zuga coin, dey predict am say e go hit $100,000 or more within 3 months, and then in the next than 5 years say e go hit $1 million. Hence, investors dey encouraged not to miss this opportunity for maximum return on their investment. Now this one na come make when they put ban on cryptocurrency dealing, Archbishop Dr Sam Zuga he come as I talk some kind things they give the CBN Governor. Archbishop Dr Sam Zuga don write open letter to the Governor of Central Bank of Nigeria, Godwin Emefiele. The Archbishop for a letter, he talk say Nigeria na the second largest cryptocurrency market for the world, and therefore they get tendency to restore the dignity of the nation and to make life better for the people that wey dey inside the country. He advise Emefiele say make he seek advice next time before he dey send that order wey go fit dabaru the country as a whole. For a letter, this na wetin he write. He say, Your Excellency, why e be say una wey dey for authority for Nigeria sef, the only thing una sabi na to dey ban and to dey scatter things as a way to dey solve problem. E come to say una know say inside every problem opportunity dey inside. Una know say cryptocurrency wey una dey say make bank no dey deal with, e say e fit give you name than wey say no other CBN governor don make. So you know say Nigeria na the second largest cryptocurrency market for the world. Una suppose to dey look for ways to grow economy. Una dey borrowing from Nigeria and selling properties to fund 1 year budget. He say una don do this one finish this year, what about next year budget? Wetin una go do? Una know how many billions Binance Luno and Remitano they make every year from Nigeria cryptocurrency market? Una know say na only Zuga coin project na go fit triple Nigeria internal generated revenue, not to talk of other cryptocurrencies the way they operate for Nigeria. He say una know say secret dey wey go fit make every Nigerian bring money for anywhere where they hide am. Even they put her for soccer way o, they put her for their water tank o, even the one where they hide for abroad sef, they go bring her come outside and they go even dey happy to give una the money. So una need dey use una head o. Say no wonder it doesn't Nigeria na be the world headquarters of poverty. He say I no wan talk too much o. Say but some of your counterpart dem for different states, wetin dem sabi to do na to ban okada and to scatter house. Una no know anything except to scatter. You go see say one governor wey never do anything for state at all, e go start to dey demolish things the way people don build for ground. They say they wan stop armed robbery and kidnapping by banning okada and keke. Rather, dey cause more pain than gain. Say una think say to dey ban okada, e don cut the leg of armed robber or kidnapper. He say sir, they also dey trek o. He say una know say not only one road they supposed to dey use. Say instead of to ban okada, he say in ICT team they go fit build tracker for una wey be like say all these okada people go buy so that revenue sef go increase, and this tracker they go dey renew am every month and these people go still buy. He say in case you don't know, say in case you don't know how cryptocurrency dey work, you go call stakeholders like Archbishop Dr Sam Zuga to school una on how to catapult Nigerian economy through cryptocurrency. He say next time when they do like that to you, yeah. He say make it then learn how to take advantage over disadvantage. Say this one na him be his secret. Sign Archbishop Dr Sam Zuga, Jehovah's Field Marshal. Not forget say CBN don direct banks say make dem close account of people wey dey use their system for cryptocurrency trading. The bank don also warn dem say any bank or financial institution wey breach this directive, e go face better wahala for CBN hand. And another news wey dey come now wey we dey hear now be say Piggy Vest wey be another better saving platform online. Like say they wan attack that one too. Like say they don't even close them. The Providence network provider don close the link first. Say make dem wait first. They never understand wetin dey happen for this country of wey they call Nigeria. Now this letter wey Dr Sam Zuga write, it makes sense die, because e no speak big grammar for the letter. E just go straight to the point, tell them wetin e wan tell them. Instead of Nigeria to go dey borrow money from China, borrow, the devil say they want to borrow from bank account of people, and the doctor say they want to borrow from pension, they want borrow from here, borrow from there. He don tell them straight up say cryptocurrency fit help the country. Make government come, make see you just like say our government say wetin dem no sabi. They go just sit down, look at, they'll just say, these people be like say they don't they make money without us, we be the government. But we ban this thing, they make money. The important things that what they're supposed to they do, they need they do them. The one where they not even consign there. Now that one they want shook body put. Now they want to say now this one they want to make name first governor to ban cryptocurrency. Like what did Dr Sam Zuga talk? E no dey wrong if government even start to trade this cryptocurrency sef, because at the end of the day e go dey provide more money. You know how much one cryptocurrency dey worth? You know the worth of one bitcoin, in fact thousands of dollars, millions of naira that people dey make from bitcoin every day. The government supposed to tap into this vast opportunity. Na better opportunity be this one, but governor dey talk say they wan ban cryptocurrency. Many people don't come outside call react for this cryptocurrency matter. One guy wey they call Adamu, he don't even talk say to they trade to they deal in cows. Say they better than to they deal in cryptocurrency. Well, that one na your own opinion. Nigeria don't blast now because that guy he don't sign up for better washing. They go give her better washing and setting. Anyway, that one you know concern us. CBN the devil can explain say well, they not really banned cryptocurrency. What they just try to talk say make Nigerians dey careful. Because the thing that they feel they use that they scam people, they collect people money. Well, anyhow they talk they don't talk her. Dr. Archbishop Dr. Sam Zuga, don't come and say don't tell them the real cocoa for the matter. Something what you don't understand, you go call person make he teach you the thing. Anyway, my people, you chook mouth for this matter. This letter wey Sam Zuga write give them, it makes sense. As they tell them, the guy not speak big English, he just tell them straight to the point. How you see her? You there on the side of Dr Sam Zuga, or you there on the side of CBN? You talk your own self, may we know what you did think. Well, don't forget, this now still DJM TV daily news update. That person you always get better and sharp news. And I bet in case you never subscribe, don't forget subscribe. You see that will be like bell with the end discuss. That way they subscribe. You see one small bell for the head, that bell. Touch the bell so that anytime we will drop story like this, you safe you go know. And make you not forget, say the person where you hear your voice since so. My name self na Lawuru Favor, and I the report for DJM TV news.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
People are people don't say no, they don't like us.
Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask them questions.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM